Hey, it's Cindy, your Super Hairpieces hair care specialist. Today, I will discuss our popular European hair men's lace front hair system, M118, and why it's trending. The M118 is designed to be a full lace base with about 1-inch clear poly at the sides that increases in size to a maximum of 3 inches at the back. The PU thickness is similar to our popular M101 skin-based system. It has a light to medium density of 115% top and crown and 110% everywhere else, giving you a natural look and feel. With good care of this hair system, it has a short to medium durability of about 2 to 4 months. The lace front provides a natural hairline, and the wave-like pattern that merges with the clear poly at the sides and the back tricks the eye into creating a seamless and undetectable transition. The M118 provides the best of both worlds, lace and poly skin bases. The wearer can get a natural looking and durable hair system with the M118. The base size is 8 inches by 10 inches and can be cut down to 6 by 8 with a deep contour base for more rounded heads and a CC front shape for wider faces. Its European hair is made with natural cuticle European hair, making this hair system a unique product for those with more warm and red base tones to their natural hair. If you want natural warm red base tone hair colors for men with a natural looking and durable base, then the M118 is meant for you. For more videos like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell.